When you use chalk paint, you have to seal it with something when you're done. Typically, clear wax or soft wax is used, which is a product that was pretty much developed for chalk paint. There are some other alternatives like polyacrylic and polyurethane, and what I'm going to use today is Minwax Paste Wax. The difference between this and the clear wax, one of the differences is that this is a darker color. Now it's going on dark here. It won't be quite this dark. I've also noticed that even the clear wax makes your paint a little bit darker, not as dark as this. I typically use this on darker paints, but in this instance, this is pretty much a white color paint, and the wax will turn it into kind of a light cream or a light antique, or antique white, that is. You can brush this wax on. This wax is a little bit stiffer than the clear wax or the soft wax, but I happen to like to apply wax like this. Minwax Paste Wax also cost half or less of the name brand clear wax, so it is a good choice if you're trying to save money as well. I have heard that the Minwax Paste Wax is more durable and a harder finish than the soft wax and clear wax, and in working with both of them, it appears that way to me as well. One of the other differences in this wax with clear wax is that this is thicker. It takes a little bit more to sand, but not much. I have also used an electric orbital sander on paste wax once it is on, and it makes a really nice looking sleek finish that is really tough and repels moisture and drink rings very well. Summing things up, I like the Minwax Paste Wax for cost, I like it for durability, and I like that I can just go to Lowe's or Home Depot and get it. It will darken your paint slightly. It is more evident in the lighter colors, but take that into consideration when choosing your colors. So that is my Minwax Paste Wax review. I like it. I will use it on projects along with clear wax and polyacrylic and polyurethane. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.